Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just your app on your iPhone just quit unexpectedly, so how you can also fix this problem. So first thing you can try also to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write name of the app you want to you have problems with. So for example Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook application. So another thing you can try also to restore your phone. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try also to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.